many of you done with it? How many of you done with it? Okay, just a few more seconds. And what we're going to be doing now is that we're going to be partnering up. Okay, so find a partner A and partner B, probably next person to you. All right, and you have to share the problem that you want to solve and what is the chat GPT output that, or the prompt that you have created. Okay, you have to tell them clearly what's step 1, you have to tell them what is step 2, and you have to tell them what is step 3. Okay, so start figuring out who's partner A and partner B among each of you. Just figure out who's partner A and partner B. Go ahead, just say, hey, you're partner A, I'm partner B. Just figure that out. All right, anybody who does not have a partner? Show of hands. If you don't have a partner, you don't have one. We don't have one person here. Anybody else who doesn't have a partner? We have one person. Okay. So what we're going to do is, one of our teammate can join. Riddhi, can you join him? Sure. So she's going to be a partner. All right. Now, please listen to me. This is where I'm going to give you 30 seconds each. Partner B will go first right now and share whatever they have to the partner A. Your time starts now. Partner B shares to partner A. And stop. Just give each other a high five and say you're an awesome partner. Give each other a high five and say you're an awesome partner. Awesome. So next thing is now it's time for partner A to go and share with what they have for the partner B. And your time starts now. Partner A shares with partner B. All right, thank you very much. Give each other a high five, give each other a high five and say, you're an awesome partner. Awesome, thank you. How many of you got some ideas here today? Can you check the mic, please? Yeah, how many of you got a lot of ideas today? Yes? How many of you want to learn some more hacks like these? With a show of hands. Are you guys ready for it? Yes, sure? All right, just say, bring it on, Rishi. Thank you, thank you. Okay, so here, I'm going to show you another hack which is going to blow your mind, all right? And this is something that I made it because I really wanted to know how some of the people create such flawless ads, how some people write such flawless emails, and how they create reels which go viral, okay? And I could not really understand how can I understand their writing tone, okay? How can I create something that they have created in their field, and how can I use similar script for my own field, okay? How many of you think it could be so powerful that you can, get the tone of your emailers, of your competitors. You can get the tone of the way they write scripts of your competitors, because they might have hired expensive copywriters to do so. But what if you can get it with the help of ChatGPT itself? How many of you would love that? Yes. So first thing is, I'm going to show you a method where if you want to basically get us, how many of you are on Instagram here, by the way? How many of you are on Instagram and TikTok? Okay, some of you as well. All right. So you might see some of the reels go really viral, especially the educational one, not the one which is just pointing, here and there. So you probably can actually go to Instagram and you can go to your reels section just to figure out which of the reels are going viral. Okay. So you go to reels section and here is where you'll figure out some of the reels, and all you can do is just copy the link over here. Okay. So here, let me just copy the link for you. Okay, so what I'm trying to do here is basically, I want to benchmark this reel. Let's assume this is a talking reel, okay? So the creator is talking a lot about London and, the reel went just crazy viral. Okay, this is not a talking reel, but I'm just asking you to assume. So what you want to do is, you want to understand how this was written, the entire script, so that if the creator is talking about Instagram marketing, let's assume, can you copy the same tone and talk about email marketing? Because the tone worked for him or her, and it can probably work for you as well. So all you got to do is just copy this particular link here, and you can download this particular reel from an app called as saveinsta.app. It's a free platform that is available on the internet. So just go and say download a reel. So it's called as saveinsta.app, and simply click on download the reel. Okay. So once you download the reel, you are going to be getting the output. So let's assume, you just click on download and the video gets downloaded. Now what you need to do is you need to transcribe. What's the word? Transcribe. What's transcribe? Anybody? What's transcribe? Writing the script? Transcribe the script. So you need to know what they're saying inside the video, right? You want the content that is there on the video, because on ChatGPT, it's a text-to-text model. I can't enter video and get the output. I have to enter a text. And to get a text, you need to transcribe. And the tool for this is basically Happy Scribe, okay? So if you go to this platform called as Happy Scribe, all you can do is click on this, and it's a free tool for about 4 to 5 minutes alone, but it gets paid after that. But anyway, the point is, you can use this transcription option. You click on this transcription, and you're gonna upload the file. Which file? The one you downloaded, right? That reel that you want to copy, that video ad that you want to basically get a hold of, right? The writing style. So all you're going to do is you're going to click on this upload file. You can do this from YouTube channel, links and all of that. But of course, you've downloaded this, my desktop. And here I am going to be, let's say, I'm just going to copy some of my video here. Okay, so let's say we have this video. I'm going to open this up. And what it does is, it'll start transcribing for you, and it's going to give you the entire script that this person has used. Okay, this person has used, entire script starts coming here. Now, just to save time, let's assume we've got the script. Okay, let's assume we've got the script. The thing is, you are going to use this particular, this prompt which says analyze. I want you guys to really save this prompt, because this is a game changer. Okay, the prompt says analyze the writing style and write about, this is going to be your topic as the above author would write. Okay, so imagine the potential, and such a cool hack this is, because I just came across, and out of a desperation, because I want to know how this person is always getting virality. Why is he writing? How is he writing that? And who's the scriptwriter and all of that? What I did, just download the video of that person and inserted the text, which is the transcribed version of it, and just said, analyze the writing style and write about some other topic as the above author would write. Okay, so then what happened was the output was amazing. and started using it as well. Now, do you think it's cool? Do you think this is really good? Yes. So the point is, it's not plagiarism again, because all you're doing is analyzing the writing style as the above author would write. The content is still going to be coming from ChatGPT itself. Yes, makes sense. So it's not that we are copying the script of that person. All we are copying is the writing style and how that author writes, so that you can write in the same way as well. Okay, super powerful. So this is how I would do my video scripts benchmarking, and I would just use Happy Scribe. I'll transcribe the entire videos for me, and then whatever output I get, I just start creating the word analyze. Okay, so that's how I use this particular hack along here. Okay, now I'm going to be showing you another method, which is competitor's email. Now this is pretty easy. I'll actually show you the output. So let's say I have one of my competitors, and let's say here I'm going to go search for Brendan Kane. Okay, so let's say I'm part of his email, and it says ignore the voices in your head. Right, he writes beautifully. So language plays a powerful role, and he's writing all about it. I'm just going to copy this guy email. Okay, go to ChatGPT, click on new chat, enter the data, and I'm going to say the word analyze. Right, that's the important prompt for you to understand here. So you're going to say analyze the writing style, okay, and write about. Okay, so I'm going to say analyze the writing style and write about building a great team is so important in any business, as the above author would write, and hit enter. Okay, now this basically, if you actually read and compare the kind of language, right, the kind of English and the kind of output is matching similar to your first one. So if you see, it says in conclusion and all of that, it has ultimately and all of that as well. So it's comparing and benchmarking and creating your own version of it. How many of you think this is amazing? Yes, the word is analyze. Okay, so you can literally get world's best copywriters, right? People who are doing extremely well, analyze their writing style, and you could use this for yourself. Imagine the amount of time it saves and the amount of money it absolutely saves here altogether. Yes, how many of you think this is great? Give each other a high five and say this is great. Give each other a high five and say this is great. Okay, lovely. Okay, now let's see. So this was all about ChatGPT, all right? Not to complicate any further, right? This is how you can get the best outputs, because I have used it for all my agency clients. I use it personally for my institute, and the kind of outputs that I get is pretty satisfactory, okay? At least up until 60 to 70% of your creative work could be automated here. If you still think there's some tweaking needed, because sometimes you might want to get some different output, you want to give some more